Hello and welcome to How to Break Eggs with Sabrina Duty. On this YouTube channel, you're going to find homemade recipes, family recipes, and home advice. Thank you for joining, and comment down below where you're from and maybe some ideas on what you would like to see throughout my videos. My first couple videos are going to be baby food and how to create purees for the first stages, possibly a feeding schedule for new moms who aren't truly sure on what to do or how to feed their babies. And I would also like to add that I have 2 older children, so a lot of the recipes that I will have on this page will be family oriented and children friendly as well. So get ready for some fun laughs and really good times and very informational videos, because I'm really looking forward to creating this YouTube page. Thanks for joining in. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't go anywhere without subscribing, please. And I would really, truly appreciate your comments and your feedback. So have a good day and thank you for joining in. Bye, guys.